Box plot example. This is the example. There are 9 numbers, so this is an odd number dataset. Now let's understand how to create the box plot step by step. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in order. We arrange the data from least to greatest. 7, 9, 10, 13, 14, 14, 15, 17, 18. Here is the number line. 7 is the minimum value, so it is the minimum. 18 is the maximum value, so it is the maximum. Step 2. Find the median. There are 9 numbers, so the median is the fifth number in the ordered list. The fifth number is 14. On the number line, we mark 14 as the median. Step 3. Split the data into halves. Since this is an odd number example, we exclude the median 14 and split the remaining numbers. 7, 9, 10, 13 is the lower half. 14, 15, 17, 18 is the upper half. Step 4. Find Q1, lower quartile. Q1 is the median of the lower half. The lower half is 7, 9, 10, 13. There are 4 numbers, so we take the average of the middle two. The middle numbers are 9 and 10. Q1 is 9 plus 10 divided by 2. So the lower quartile Q1 is 9.5. Step 5. Find Q3, upper quartile. Q3 is the median of the upper half. The upper half is 14, 15, 17, 18. The middle numbers are 15 and 17. Q3 is 15 plus 17 divided by 2. So the upper quartile Q3 is 16. Step 6. Plot the box plot. Now we have all 5 values needed for the box plot. Minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. This is the box plot. 7 is the minimum. 9.5 is the lower quartile Q1. 14 is the median. 16 is the upper quartile Q3. And 18 is the maximum. Step 7. Find the range. Range is equal to maximum 18 minus minimum 7. So the range is equal to 11. Step 8. Find the interquartile range. Interquartile range is equal to upper quartile Q3 16 minus lower quartile Q1 9.5. So the interquartile range is 6.5. If this explanation helped you understand graphs better, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more lessons.